In this lesson overview, the student expectation is, I can compare the role of government in the U.S. free enterprise system and other economic systems. The language objective, I can write about the role of government in economic systems in a read-write activity. How long should this lesson take you? This lesson should take you 60 minutes to complete. This lesson is important because it compares the United States free enterprise economic system to other countries' socialist and communist economic systems. It examines the role of government in each economic system and who and what makes the decisions on how the economy is run. What's included in this lesson? There's a quick start, a reading with graphic organizer, a quizzes activity, and a writing summary. The expectations and final products. The expectation is that you begin this lesson with your quick start. You will then read the 3 short readings on each economic system. As you complete each chunked reading, you will jot down characteristics of each economic system to help you with your writing summary final product. After the readings, you will take the quizzes activity to help you practice with the content before you write. Your final product will be the writing summary, which will show your teacher you have mastered the intended content. The quote of the lesson, you are made to be awesome.